नाज़रीन, एक बार फिर से आपको ले चलेंगे लाड़काना, जहां पे वजीर आजम मियां मोहम्मद शहबाज शरीफ और उनके हमरा मौजूद हैं एंटोनियो गुतेरेस, और उन्हीं के साथ मौजूद है वजीर खारजा बिलावल भुट्टो जरदारी, और यहाँ पर इस्लाम मुतासरीन से गुफ्तगू कर रहे हैं एंटोनियो गुतेरेस।
This civilization came into existence under the cultures which were developing throughout this larger Indus region, which is approximately 1 million square kilometers. Starting from Himalayas and it's a huge area. And this began some 7,000 years before Christ and has been gradually developing itself, maturing into this urban city. The innovative methods of architecture are very visible. That is the reason that the archaeologists now this starts the problem when the site is open. The river Indus left is recharging the water, so that makes the underground water level quite high. So this is actually the salt which is penetrating into the walls. The walls are being crustacean and drying out. The difficulty with us here is that this huge settlement was 600 years ago. So there are multi-levels. Those multiple settled areas actually are somewhere up and somewhere down. So they contain the self-enclosed areas. When the downpour came, so the water got trapped into so many pockets. And bringing those waters out of those traps is quite a job. When we have within the 40 days unprecedented downpour, which was 3 times larger than the highest ever recorded in this region, spread over to the year. So you can imagine that the brave efforts of the site curators was very appreciable. And then throughout all these years, to save the walls, there has been the protective layers applied on the surface of the wall. So this sacrificial layer actually got collapsed. So whatever we see here, majority of it is those support walls which were provided, they have gone down because they were not bonded together with the original structure. Now we are faced with this problem, and we do understand that we need to actually amend our preservation policies, because this is going to be something which we fear that it may keep occurring every year. So this is the reason that we have to consider about having application of the more stable surface run drains, so that it should not flow over the rainstorm waters. And we are also considering that the self-enclosed areas like this great path has to be provided with a cover, and also the lesser frequented areas where the original structures are still intact, we may start reburying them protectively so that it is preserved. So we have to be making a shift in the preservation policy. So I am happy and acknowledge here that once this site was threatened by the river Indus, and the UNESCO coordinated Save Mohenjo-daro campaign, that was the largest ever UNESCO-sponsored campaign for any site in the whole of the world.
1973, Shahid Zulfikar Ali Bhutto organized a symposium here. International leaders came here, and then they started the campaign Save Mohenjo-daro. So resultantly, Mohenjo-daro was declared as World Heritage Site in 1980.
That's a campaign?
To save Mohenjo-daro.
To save Mohenjo-daro. Save Mohenjo-daro.
Okay, save.
To save Mohenjo-daro.
After that, it was okay.
So that we are not threatened by the Indus anymore, but this downpour was from the skies and it was unprecedented, and we have to now go for the changed conservation policy to be
Take
That's why we are organizing the same call in the end of the year.
year in November in Paris.
Very well. Thank you very much.
Mr. President, Sanchez Sapka, thank you.
सेक्रेटरी जनरल यूएन का मोहनजोदारो का इस वक्त वो दौरा कर रहे हैं, जबकि वजीर खारजा बिलावल भुट्टो जरदारी और वजीर अला सिंध मुराद अली शाह भी उनके हमरा मौजूद हैं। वहां पर उनको ब्रीफिंग दी जा रही थी कि इस वक्त जो है रेस्क्यू और रिलीफ का काम जो है वो किया जा रहा है। जो लोग इस वक्त सैलाब से मुतासिर हैं उनको खुश्क जगहों पे जो है वो मुंतकिल किया जाने की कोशिश की जा रही है।
हमारे पास है नेशनल म्यूजियम में। डांसिंग गर्ल इज इन दिल्ली, नेशनल म्यूजियम ऑफ इंडिया।
So we say the Indians have stolen our dancing girl. So we have the हमने divide के एक
बियर्ड वाला बाबा हमारे पास है।
Thank you very much.
And set of books regarding Indus Valley civilization.
Oh my God.
And the historical book written by the Sir John Marshall, the then head of the Archaeological Survey of India.
So, do I have a volunteer?
Yes,
Oh, it's amazing. No, one of the things that I read about is when we compare these with other, I would say, first civilizations, no? Like in Mesopotamia or in Egypt, they were corresponding to very hierarchical societies with clear distinction between the people and a religious or political elite, very small and very powerful and rich, and the architecture was to have very big things for them, and the rest has disappeared. When one looks at Mohenjo-daro, it looks a much more democratic society. You don't see very important buildings for important people. You see a city in which apparently people would live and would organize themselves in a rather democratic way. No?
Correct.
It is true.
We haven't found any war weapon from any archaeological site of Indus Valley.
No
civilization.
weapons.
No weapon. They were pacifist people.
And no structure of a big palace.
No Palestinian, any sign of any Palestinian.
No hierarchy, not even religiosity or anything like. I mean, I suppose.
Yes, that is very interesting. I mean, it's because the norm is these civilizations to have a very hierarchical structure. I mean, after we moved from hunting to agriculture and other things, that political structure developed. But here it was.
Most of the historians say we were the pioneers of even clothing and textile. First textile industry was here, this Mohenjo-daro. And first spin was introduced by the Mohenjo-daro people at that time. And this color, indigo color, they used to cultivate the crops of indigo, and they made this blue color out of it.
Compared with Mohenjo-daro, Harappo is of the same period?
Yes, same.
Same period and same structure?
Same structure.
No difference?
No any difference. The same drainage system, not only here but in
same
Gujarat.
Civilization.
We have three important sites in Indian Gujarat. Dholavira, Kalibangan and Lothal. And we have important sites other than Mohenjo-daro. There are two sites. One is Lakhin-Jodaro near to Sakhar city. Second one is Chahun-Jodaro near to Nawabshah city. So French archaeologists are working over there on that site. Even the same kind of structure and the drainage system is there, we found.
So it all belonged to the same civilization?
The same civilization, from Kashmir, Tibet to the Alban Sea.
And apparently there was no hierarchy among the cities?
Excellency, we would like to write few words.
Yes.
वजीर खारजा बिलावल भुट्टो और वजीर अला सिंध भी उनके हमरा मौजूद थे। सेक्रेटरी जनरल यूएन को सैलाब से नुकसानात पर ब्रीफिंग भी दी गई है और उन्हें बताया गया है कि जो भी यहाँ पे नुकसानात हुए हैं उनका अजाला करने की कोशिश की जा रही है। सबसे पहले काम किया जा रहा है रेस्क्यू का, उसके बाद रिलीफ दिया जा रहा है और अब बाद में बहाली का काम जो है वो किया जाएगा, जिस पर वजीर आजम मियां मोहम्मद शहबाज शरीफ ने कहा था कि यहाँ पे ज़राअत, लाइव स्टॉक और दीगर फसलों को बहुत ज़्यादा नुकसान पहुंचा है और इमदाद की अशद ज़रूरत है, जिस पर अक़वाम मुत्तहिदा के सेक्रेटरी जनरल ने गुफ्तगू करते हुए ये कहा है कि आलमी दर्जा हरारत बढ़ाने में पाकिस्तान का कसूर नहीं है, लेकिन पाकिस्तान इससे सबसे ज्यादा मुतासिर हुआ है। दुनिया को आगे आए और पाकिस्तान की मदद करें।